Hi everyone, here's an introduction to the Domino Base System and how I put it together, and to give you an insight on how you can put it together when you receive the kit. So as you can see from the kit here, I'll go through exactly what you receive. So you will receive a fence system, whether it be a 950 or a second 950 making it up to the 1900, and these components here. You will receive 8 of these bars here, which are your main alignment bars, and these are your mid alignment bars. You will also receive the shims to allow you to do an extra 2 mil or an extra 1.5 mil. An alignment jig, the relevant spacers that you will need for 12 mil, 15 mil, 18 mil, and for when you're using the Domino base plate. You will receive 2 end stops with the thumb screws, and then an offset block here. This will all come in a bag like this one here. So first things first, I need to determine what size board I'm going to use first. Now on this occasion I'm going to use our 18 mil here, and I'm just going to put the first one in here, which allows me then, which will give me my, when I'm working up to it, and this will all make sense in a second. And then I'm going to insert my alignment bars. I slide one in here, and I'm going to make sure that the thumb screw is on the inside, on this part, and on this one here. These are the 2 mid sections, and then finally with another end one, ensuring that the thumb screws are faced inwards. Okay. Then I can put on my second 18 mil stop here. So now I will then use the other set and just repeat the exact same process with the the thumb screw on the inside, and the alignment bars mid sections in, and once again here. Then I can add in my end stop, like so, and put that one in there. Now you can also set this up to work on the opposite side at the same time with the same bars that you get. This is all supplied in the kit, so you can work on both sides at the same time. So now I've got that set up, I need to align my joining bars. So what I would do now is, I'm just going to use a board here that I've already pre-done, and just to demonstrate how this all works together here. So I've got my domino here, got my end stop there, and now I can just slide this one up, and this will now lock your board in place. There you go, like so. So that is now secure on your board, allowing you to move this board around and knowing that this isn't going to move. So my first one I will set at 80 mil. You can see here you've got the groove here. I will set this at 80. The same as I'm going to come back from my board 80 mil, or around about 80 millimeters. So at the moment this board is a 720 board, and this will then make that 640, giving me 80 mil from the bottom as well. And then you can decide what position you would then want these ones here. Now what comes with the kit is this handy a jig here. This allows you to line up this one and this one, knowing that it's perfectly aligned together. So you can see I'm going to, using these lugs here, put that into the holes of the alignment bar, move this freely. Once I've got it aligned up, you can then tighten that up. And the same again on this side here. That's knowing that when you do your domino cuts, they are perfectly in line with each other. Okay, and the same with these ones. You can work out exactly where you want them to be, but the good thing about it is what I've done here is this is perfectly the same size as that, so you can now attach it to here and to this one, align this side and this side, and vice versa on here, knowing that you can do a domino here, here, and in the midsection here, giving you an extra domino when required. This will allow you to then line that up in the center of your board, which for 720 will be 360. So I will then move that to the 360 mark, and with your grub screw and Allen key, just nip them down there, like so. And there you have your domino alignment all set up. Now, once you've done that and you've set your domino like on a previous video, I've set this to actually do the plunge cuts first because I'm using the 18mm board offset. And once you've got that all set up, I can now do my plunge cuts. There. There. As I said, in the center as well. There. Off the center. And at the end. And that's how I've set it up for doing those particular type of cuts. Now, where I need to now do my, if I want my board where I want them to come in from the side, all I need to do is remove your 18mm blocks, like so, and insert the 68mm ones. And then I'll put the other end stop in like so and bring that over to roughly where the board size is. So then place this on the end here, there, and once again this is all locked in nice and securely into your onto your board that you're working with. So with all this all set up and securely in place, I can now use the domino with the plunge section here, making sure that my table is off the table to make it easier to plunge. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to use a couple of dogs here just to secure this here from moving while I'm working. And now, as said previously, you can now using the alignment bars here to align your plunge ones. And once again, this will all follow the exactly same alignment that you have done when plunging into the board, like so. And there you have it. That's how you set it up to use the alignment. Now, when working with the opposite side, you would then use the other end of the scale with your stop at this end to then repeat that same scenario over there. And as I said, it comes all supplied with allowing you to have this all set up ready to switch between either set. Thanks for watching.